Hi, this is Lee from colouringqueen.net, and I guess you know you're behind on your colouring book reviews when you see a book that you bought on holidays 6 months ago and you still haven't reviewed it. And this is actually a book that I really like, and it's called Hidden Nature, and it's by Toc De Groc, which is, I understand, a team of illustration artists. The cover is matte with a matte black writing with lovely green highlights on it, and you can see from the cover that it's sort of going to be quirky and whimsical. It's got a lovely protective jacket on there that folds out to the inner glossy cover, which if you had alcohol markers you could colour that in as well. So we'll just put that away. Gorgeous nameplate page. This is, something that I really love about colouring books, and also gorgeous binding on this book. So you can see it's sort of in pad form and it's all bound down the side there. The paper is beautiful, it's smooth, it's very white, and it's a medium quality. Now this is on a glue binding, so these pages should slip out easily enough if you used any of the techniques to remove them from glue bounded paper. And you'll see how quirky they are. Cute little kitties on both sides of the paper, and the drawings are really whimsical and very cute. The line work is black, it's very crisp, but it's also fine and delicate at the same time. And a lot of the illustrations and the whimsy about this book remind me of another book that I've reviewed called A Beautiful Day. So if you haven't seen that review, it was months and months ago, go and check that one out as well if this sort of artwork. Now here I guess we're expected to do our own doodles. That's not going to happen, but nice for those that like to do their own doodles. And at the back we've got this lovely thumbnail index of the illustrations inside the book. And you see that there were some illustrations where you could add your own doodles to them if you chose to. Otherwise, I think you've got plenty to colour there in the meantime. So if you like sort of quirky, whimsical, you might like this book. Until next time, happy colouring.